What we're able to do now that we've got prompt security is we're able to enable a lot more uses of AI, because it's not a case of having to make a risk acceptance. It's a case of it's controlled, and therefore the risk is actually very low. My name is Richard Moore. I'm the CISO at 10x Banking. 10x Banking provides a back-end platform for banks to provide services to customers. We do quite a lot to leverage AI. A lot of similar organizations have taken either an approach of just risk accepting the use of AI, or an approach of trying to prevent the use of AI entirely. And we didn't want to go with either of those approaches. We wanted to use it, but in a controlled way. When we first onboarded with Prompt, it was quite different to some of the other tools we looked at. It was enterprise ready, which the other ones weren't. So things like SSO setup was a breeze. We were able to very rapidly deploy it to our devices. It had good support for macOS. It had support for the standard deployment tools that you use on that platform. And that made it quite different from some of the other tools we looked at. We've been able to be proportionate, but we're able to enable the use of AI without having to worry too much that we're going to be putting people's data at risk. I think if another CISO asked me, is Prompt worth a look? I would have to say yes, they should definitely look at it. And I think trying it is actually quite easy, and getting value out of it was not a big job. So I think some tools require a large amount of configuration before you get any value. Prompt was not like that, and we were able to get value very quickly. And that's obviously a sign of a good, well-designed tool.